What is CBT? CBT is cognitive behavioral therapy. It's based upon the idea that how we think determines how we feel and how we behave. Imagine something happens. It could be anything. That thing causes you to have thoughts about what just occurred, and it can affect the way you sleep and your emotions. Remember the last time something happened and how you react to it. You experience this emotion based on your thoughts. And those emotions dictate how you react, how you respond to those thoughts and feelings with behaviors. Just imagine a thought and how you respond to it. Our body talks and it reacts. The brain processes those things that we see, hear, experience. Our perceptions are our realities. Despite what we see, sometimes we overthink things, despite that he's blowing bubbles. The look may cause us to think that we've done something wrong. What is it? I'm trying to understand what it is I did wrong. We would replay the situation over and over in our head, trying to understand what did I do wrong, when ultimately we didn't really do anything, but it's what we believed that we've done, what we've experienced. Irrational thoughts still control how we feel. Despite our best efforts, those thoughts control how we show up in the world, what we believe about ourselves, what we believe others think about us. Those deep feelings. And sometimes we have to medicate or seek therapy or seek those things to help us to process what it is that we're feeling. Once you become aware of your own irrational thoughts, you can learn to change them. The thoughts that once led to depression, anxiety, and anger will be replaced with new, healthy alternatives. Finally, you will be in control of how you feel. Imagine this. There's a birthday party and you've been invited. But the negative thoughts come creeping in and you think, I won't know anyone at this party. I'll just seem out of place, and she probably only invited me because she felt obligated to do so. You become sad and anxious. You start believing those things that you've told yourself, despite not knowing if those things are actually true. Imagine if you replace those thoughts with new emotions and rational thoughts, and maybe think, you know what? Maybe she does, in fact, want me to come to the party. And you know that negative thoughts they can take up space in our minds and cause us to have those thoughts that make us feel horrible about ourselves. Doubt that the person really wants us to be at their party. Doubt that we can have a better attitude. So we show up negatively. We show up in behaviors that we're not proud of. We show up angry. Well, what happens if we deploy rational thoughts instead? What if we take the moment to sit down and think it through and just really process the thoughts that we're having? What happens if we just allow those thoughts to pass through, but we write them down and allow ourselves to be happy, to receive love and joy and all of those things that make us feel like celebrating. Just jumping for joy. Just receiving it. Being loving, receiving it, giving it, and just living our best lives. Yes, you can be that. And it's okay. And it's really a mind shift. Decide. Decide today. Decide that you are going to have new emotions. You're going to use this cognitive model to identify your own patterns and thoughts and emotions and behaviors. You'll come to understand how your thoughts shape how you feel and how they impact your life in significant ways. You can do this. Yes, you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Now remember, I'm not a therapist, I'm a coach. See your therapist for sessions if you require a deeper dive. Dr. Stephanie here. Be amazing.